Do your feet ever feel like they've been carrying the weight of the world? Heavy, swollen, and aching by the end of the day? You're not alone. Thousands of people, especially seniors, deal with swollen feet daily. And while there are many remedies floating around, one name keeps popping up: Epsom salt. But how do you actually use it? Does it really help? And is it safe for everyone? Well, sit back, relax, and let's walk through everything you need to know about how to use Epsom salt for swollen feet relief, complete with expert advice, step-by-step instructions, and a few tips you probably haven't heard before. Let's begin. Before we dive into how Epsom salt helps, it's important to understand why your feet swell up in the first place. Swelling, or edema, can happen for many reasons. Maybe you've been standing too long, or sitting for hours without moving. Poor circulation, certain medications, and even conditions like arthritis, heart problems, or diabetes can also play a role. And as we get older, our circulation naturally slows down. The muscles in our legs and feet don't work as efficiently to push blood and fluids back up toward the heart, so everything tends to settle in the lower parts of the body, especially the feet. That's why many seniors deal with swelling in the evening or after a busy day. Now, let's talk about Epsom salt. What exactly is it? Despite the name, it's not your typical table salt. Epsom salt is made from a natural compound called magnesium sulfate. It's been used for hundreds of years to ease aches, relax muscles, reduce inflammation, and even soften the skin. It's named after a place in England called Epsom, where it was originally discovered in mineral-rich spring water. How does this salt help reduce swelling? The answer lies in the magnesium. Magnesium plays a powerful role in the body. It helps control inflammation, supports nerve function, and regulates fluid levels. When you dissolve Epsom salt in warm water and soak your feet in it, there's a chance that some of that magnesium is absorbed through the skin. This may help your body relax, reduce puffiness, and pull extra fluid out of the swollen tissues. At the same time, the warm water improves blood flow and soothes sore muscles. Some studies suggest that while the skin's absorption of magnesium may vary from person to person, many people do report real, noticeable relief after Epsom salt soaks. And it's no surprise, warm water alone can be therapeutic. Add magnesium into the mix, and it becomes a simple but powerful remedy. If you're ready to try it yourself, here's what you'll need. Just a few basic items: half a cup to 2 cups of Epsom salt, a large bucket or foot tub, and warm water, not hot. You'll also want a clean towel to dry your feet afterward. That's it, just 4 things. Most of them you probably already have at home. Now, here's how you do it. First, fill your bucket about halfway with warm water. Make sure it's enough to cover your feet up to the ankles. Then add your Epsom salt. Start with half a cup, and if your swelling is more severe, you can go up to 2 full cups. Stir the water until the salt is completely dissolved. Gently place your feet into the water and let them soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. During this time, you can sit back, close your eyes, listen to music, or just take a few deep breaths. When you're done, take your feet out, pat them dry with a towel, and, if possible, elevate them on a pillow for even more relief. Now you might be wondering, how often should I do this? You can use this remedy anytime your feet feel swollen or tired. But it's especially effective if you do it at night before bed. Not only does it reduce swelling, but it also relaxes your muscles and helps you sleep better. For occasional swelling, a soak 2 to 3 times a week is usually enough.